Let's roll, shall we? Feel the riding posture, I mean. Dude, the power, the feel this bike has. I'm loving every moment on this bike. These are the roads, you know, you want such bikes. These guys are telling me it's a very good spot. It's a great spot rather, is what I've been told. Another day, another ride. That's my bike. Bye-bye Classic. Here we have a beauty. Let's roll, shall we? दगाबाज रे हाय दगाबाज. And the feel, the riding posture, I mean, the seat height is not that tall, so you get an aggressive riding posture. Damn, the exhaust note as well. Proper naked sports bike vibes from a guy who rides a classic 350. This literally feels like I'm flying. Strong here. Wow, so many people gathered here. The cars parked. It's 6:30 in the morning. Dude, crazy! What? I just hope this bike gets me to a fuel station. Too much work for the police early morning. All set, guys. Yeah, buddy. Ah, empty roads, man. This is what you want. Wow. Imagine some minutes ago it was so crowded, and now this feels like you've got up at the right time.
One eternity later.
Last time we had a race. His CB350 and my Classic, and he beat me. Dimple liye baat. Today I'll show him who wins. Just kidding, yeah. I don't encourage you guys racing on the road. What bike is it, dude? Looks like a very big bike. Big fat bike. I think Harley Davidson is it? Dang, bro. Woo. Man's got some swag right there. The ride is on. Let's move, boys. Dude, the second gear pull is something different. It's very helpful actually while overtaking, but if you have a pillion on you, it's impossible. Dude, the power, the feel this bike has. You don't feel this is a Royal Enfield. You can cruise at 80, 90. 100 as well, without any vibrations. The most important part. There are no vibrations here. Dude, it's getting chilly here. The outskirts of a city. Chilly, chilly, chilly. Hunter boy. Bye bye. Bye bye. He's not catching me today. Whoopsie. Suspension is really flush. People are just crossing by villages. Animals. Whoops. That's what I was talking about, dude. I'm loving every moment on this vibe. Royal Enfield has done magic here with this engine. You know, in the Scrambler, it feels a lot more refined. Obviously, this one has more power. I'm not saying no to that. You will get that aggressiveness here more. But the fine-tuning of this engine should have been done a little more. These guys are fueling up, but I'm all good. Himalayan, here we have a Himi boy. God, I love the Himalayan. Someday. With the low-end torque is extremely good on this bike. People who have just had a 150cc, 200cc bike and want to upgrade. Someone looking for some zap on the road, this is the bike. Someone who wants to pull the throttle, rev the bike. You will love this bike. A 450cc bike. You want empty roads, you just want to rev it, go for a nice ride like I am going right now. And it's very easy to maneuver. The same engine as the Himalayan, 11 kgs lighter than the Himalayan. I think this is 185 kilos. I mean, obviously someone who's coming from a classic 350. I find it very light. This is the same road which goes to Lavasa. गरम चाय हो जाए भाई, गरम चाय हो जाए. Interceptor 650. This bike is very nice for highway touring, but I don't think it's been practical for Indian roads, you know what I mean. Come on, boys. Make some noise, boys. I don't know why we don't have a 550cc bike. I mean, just curious. Why not a 550cc bike? There was a Continental, right? Dang. Look at the helmet, dude. What's that exhaust? It's annoying, actually. The bike is nice, but I think he has ruined it with that exhaust. Check out my other video. Similar Sunday ride to a different place, and I was shocked by the lineup. Dude, what? I was shocked by the lineup that place had. You guys also will be amazed, you know. You will love it. You love the ride. Wow. These are the roads, you know. You want such bikes. These are the roads where you can just turn, twist, accelerate. Wow, loving it. So this mirror moving. It's actually very cold. My hands are freezing. Look at the mirror. It's moving.
क्या सीन है?
We are here, guys. We reached our location, Paradise Cafe. These guys were telling me it's a very good spot. It's a great spot, rather, is what I've been told. Now I'm free to judge. Do not sit on this wall. Fine, 1,000 rupees. Damn. Wow. Paradise. Actual paradise. The mirror is going up a little. Well, guys, that was it about the Guerrilla 450 on a highway. I loved it. If you like the video, guys, give it a like, share with your friends, subscribe, hit that subscribe button, guys. Do it, guys. Come on, let's do it. And if you have any questions, any comments, or your thoughts, you can share in the comment section. Right safe, guys. Take care. Bye bye.